Welcome to Best Buy Report. The Best Desktop Aquarium is probably one of the most calming and visually appealing additions you can make to your desk. This tiny ecosystem brings a touch of the natural world right into your workspace, offering a soothing focal point and a fascinating glimpse into aquatic life. Whether you're a seasoned aquarist or a curious beginner, setting up a desktop aquarium can be a rewarding experience. Number 5. Aqueon LED MiniBow 2.5 gallon Fish Tank Kit. Introducing the Aqueon LED MiniBow, featuring Smart Clean technology. This innovative feature allows you to perform water changes in under 2 minutes, making fish keeping easier than ever. This aquarium is designed to improve water quality, creating a healthy environment for your fish. This ensures they stay happy and thrive in their new home. The kit includes everything you need to get started: the aquarium vessel, hood, elevated base, power filter, filter cartridge, fish food, water conditioner, and a setup guide. It's all there for you. It's a great home for small fish, providing a comfortable and safe space. They will love their new environment. Whether you're a first-time fish keeper or have experience, this kit is perfect for all ages. It's simple to set up and maintain. The Aqueon LED MiniBow uses Aqueon small replacement cartridges. This ensures the water stays clean and clear, keeping your fish healthy. What we like? This aquarium features Smart Clean technology, making water changes quick and easy. It comes as a complete kit, so you have everything you need to get started. If you're a first-time fish keeper or looking for a hassle-free setup, this is a great choice. What people say? The bowl is acrylic and it still looks new, no scratches, so be careful how you clean. It was easy to set up and I love how in the instructions it's actually illustrated in color and everything. The little nozzle that's pointing inside the cartilage filter can be extended and higher when you want to do a water change, which is amazing for me. Number 4. AquaSprouts Desktop Aquarium Hydroponics Ecosystem Kit. This is the AquaSprouts Garden, a self-sustaining aquarium and aquaponics kit. It's perfect for your home, office, or even a classroom. It's a great way to bring nature indoors. The system works in harmony. Fish provide nutrients for the plants, and the plants clean the water for the fish. It's a cycle of life, all in one compact system. Once set up, this system requires minimal water changes and no filter replacements. It's designed for ease of use and long-term enjoyment. You'll spend more time enjoying it and less time maintaining it. Grow your favorite veggies, herbs, and greens year-round. No need for extra fertilizers, the fish do the work. It's a fun and rewarding way to grow your own food. It's a great tool to explore how our natural environment works. It fits any standard 10-gallon aquarium. It's a perfect option for those with limited space. What we like? This kit creates a self-sustaining ecosystem where fish fertilize plants, and plants clean the water. It allows you to grow herbs and veggies year-round with minimal water changes. If you're interested in aquaponics or have limited space, this is perfect for you. What people say? This kit was designed to incorporate a 10-gallon aquarium into an aquaponics system. It comes with a growth bed and support stands that allow it to fit snugly over an aquarium. It also has plant light supports but does not come with a grow light. There is a pump with a timer and a transparent flexible PVC tube that runs from the aquarium to the bottom of the overhanging growth bed. Water is pumped into the growth bed and is then drained back into the aquarium via 2 drains that are located on either side of the bed. The bed itself can be filled with clay pellets. Number 3. Desktop Fish Bowl with wood lid and bamboo stand. Introducing the Desktop Fish Bowl, designed with a wood lid and bamboo stand. This unique design makes it perfect for both plants and small fish. The wood lid is great for holding plants, while the clear glass keeps the fish visible. This fish bowl is made of high-quality, clear glass. It offers excellent transparency, allowing you to easily observe your fish or the roots of your plants. It's a beautiful way to watch life grow. The smooth glass surface makes this fish bowl incredibly easy to clean. Maintenance is simple, so you can spend more time enjoying it and less time cleaning it. It's designed for your convenience. This bowl is ideal for small fish like bettas and goldfish, as well as most houseplants. Its size is perfect for a desk or window, and it helps to refresh the air around it. This small glass fish tank is a beautiful decoration for your home or office. Whether you fill it with fish, plants, or cuttings, it will add a touch of nature to your space. It's a great way to brighten up any room. What we like. This fish bowl features an elegant design with a wood lid and bamboo stand. The high-clarity glass provides a clear view of your fish and plants. If you like a stylish desktop decoration for small fish and plants, you should consider it. What people say. Exactly like the picture, a very aesthetically pleasing. I've had a beta for some time now and stumbled upon this and decided to give it a try. I figured it may be too small, but upon receiving it, it does have a decent amount of room for one small fish. I like that it has a cork top to keep the fish from jumping out and committing suicide. Yes, I've experienced this before, and it took way too long to figure out that my fish wasn't Houdini but had actually escaped his fishbowl and was hiding on the floor, blending into my ornamental rug way too well. RIP Norm. The top also has a hole in it so you can put a plant in there, such as a philodendron. Number 2. Aquatop 4.12 gallons cube aquarium. Introducing the Aquatop 4.12 gallon cube aquarium. It's made with ultra-clear, low-iron glass. This provides stunning visibility for your aquatic world. The 5 mm thick glass ensures a sturdy and durable build. This design provides long-lasting use while maintaining crystal-clear views. Its slim design is perfect for desktops and small spaces. It allows you to create a beautiful and functional aquatic display. This aquarium is easy to install and maintain. It's suitable for both beginners and experienced aquarists looking for a hassle-free setup. Built with high-quality silicone sealing, the tank ensures a watertight and reliable construction. It provides a safe home for your fish and plants. What we like. This aquarium is made with high-clarity, low-iron glass for stunning visibility. The 5 mm thick glass ensures a sturdy and durable build. If you are looking for a sleek and compact tank for your desk, this is the one for you. What people say. The glass is super clear, and all the pieces are perfectly cut and glued together with no imperfections. It also comes with a foam piece to place under the aquarium, which prevents scratches on any surface and keeps it from moving around. The glass is extremely clear and well made. Number 1. ATC Mini USB Fish Tank Aquarium with LED Clock. This innovative product combines a fish tank with an LCD clock. It's designed to be both functional and visually appealing, perfect for any desk. The tank features a circular water flow system, ensuring a healthy environment for your fish. This system helps maintain water quality, providing fresh air for the inhabitants. It's ideal for small fish like ghost shrimp or betta fish. They will thrive in this well-maintained environment. The product comes with decorative pebbles and an artificial plant. It also includes a USB connector for power. The built-in LCD alarm clock displays time, date, and temperature. It also includes a snooze function and a countdown timer, offering multiple modes. The display is backlit, making it easy to read. It provides all the essential information at a glance. What we like. This desktop aquarium combines a fish tank with a built-in LCD clock. The circular water flow provides fresh air for your fish. If you want a unique and functional addition to your desk, you should consider this. What people say. I let the water run and light as WL 24/7. After all, I use the aquarium as a conversation and calming presence unit. It works 24/7. Flawlessly going on its 6th month of continuous 24/7 use. It is awesome. Put a beta fish and he is happy as can be. Too small for any fish, but a cute desk decoration with some fake fish and craft store plants added in. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.